brothers and sisters, once again, welcome to our second QBasic probably is concerned. This is another program. That's the question 2 I would like us to look at. And here, this question 2, we are going to look at how to calculate for what ohms. Okay, now let's look at a question that we look at it practically. So once again, my name is Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. You can equally go to our website. I will provide the link in the description where you can go there and download the question and try your hands on. Okay, now without wasting my time, let's dive straight to today's segment. Now, as you can see here, question 2 says that write a program to calculate and print the number of what grams in 13 ohms. You can convert from ohms to grams by using the formula, which is grams is equal to 28.4, okay, which is 28.4 times ohms times what? Ohms. Choose variable names to stand for ohms and what? And grams. So basically, this is a question. This is just this simply means that they say you should write a program to calculate for grams, and they said grams in what? In 13 ohms. And for you to do the convention, bear in mind that the grams is equal to what? 28.4 times ohms times the 13 ohms. That will give you the what? The grams. How shall I get in it? So let's look at how we can do that. So as you can see, this is what we did in our previous lesson. So I'm switching to full screen. For you to switch full screen of your QBasic, hold on to what? Alt and press enter, and then you have your full screen of your QBasic. As you can see here, I am on my full screen of my QBasic, and this is what we did in our previous lesson. So I'll click on file and click on new program and click on no, I don't want to save that. So now let's look at how we can find grams so far as what the 13 ohms is concerned. So first of all, I'll do is I'll clear the screen. Now after clearing the screen, what I'll go ahead to do is that I'm just going to say what declare my variable. So it's going to be ohms. So my ohms is equal to what? 13, and then I'll say gasoline. Sorry, my grams, not gasoline, because I just finished teaching you guys how to use gasoline, so I mentioned gasoline. My grams is equal to 28.4 times what? Ohms, okay, times ohms. Times ohms. I'll go ahead and press enter. Then I'm going to say print not print print. So that's going to be print gasoline. So print grams. So print code grams is what? Grams is grams. Now I'm printing grams. So for me to get a grams, they said the grams is equal to, so far the formula is concerned, is equal to 28.4 times ohms. The ohms is already 13 ohms because I've assigned ohms, like ohms should be 13, and the grams is what? 8.4 times the ohms, which is 13. So for me to get my grams is going to be print grams is what? Grams, because I assign data to the grams as 38.4 times what? Times ohms will give me my grams. So it's going to print grams. Then I'll press enter and run my program. To run my program, I'll just have to come to run here and click on start running. That will give me 36 369.2. So that is my answer, and that is just a simple program you can write, and then you are good to go to pass your examination. Now you also just go ahead and press enter and go back to your screen. So I hope this lesson has helped you. This is a short one, and we'll be covering more of the programming so far writing QBasic program is concerned. And once again, my name is Prince Armstrong. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in the next lesson. Bye bye.